Hey everybody, I'm going to do a get ready with me with this look and this hair hack. I'm going to show you how to get instant side bangs. So I hope you enjoy. Sunscreen. Okay, Spotlight by Pepperidge Farm. Spotlight by Physicians Formula. Boop. What a great primer this is. This is the greatest. NYX eye primer. So I put the burgundy on the inner part, at the end. So I bought these pencils by Too Faced. They're called Bulletproof. I got them in several colors. I don't even know if they make them anymore because I had to scour the internet for them, and I'm trying them out. They go on really easy. But this mascara is by Butter London, and I'm loving this mascara. I don't want to because it's not a cheap one. It is, well, I'm not sure how much it is, but Butter London isn't too cheap, but it is a good mascara. I've gone through so many mascaras this year. It's been so much fun just being so extravagant with drugstore mascaras that it's opened up my eyes and my world to different mascaras. My lashes are growing also. I've been using Blink. Now I'm using a Shop Miss A smudger brush to pull out the liner. And I'm going to put on ILLUMINATE BB cream. And I'm using my SEPHORA brush, my Pro Core diffuser brush. I love this brush. It's so good. It's got 2 layers. It does the job beautifully, beautifully. So this is in medium, and I do like the Illuminate. I don't like the regular one. It's very drying and old on my face. This is very youthful, very dewy and illuminating. And I get my ears too. Now this is another great Sephora brush. This is their blush brush, and I am dipping it into Urban Decay's Afterglow in Kinky. It's a blush, and it's called Kinky. And I have about 12 of them that I scoured the internet for also. Now I'm using 2 Temptations eyebrow pencil by Maybelline. In a pinch, when you need a pencil quick, these are great. The soft brown and the blonde I use. I believe this is the soft brown. Okay, now we're going to do the side bangs.
thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, great week and a happy week. And I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me and this hair hack, how to get a side bang. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye. I see you.